Chef leftovers.
Chef leftovers!
Chef leftovers.
Chef leftovers! Chef leftovers! We're hungry!
The very first step you do in this process is soak the gizzards. I make my own homemade brine. It's a recipe that I've made, but then I take them out of the brine after they sit in brine for at least a few hours, and then I throw them in flour, as I'm doing now. You want to flour them up real good. Get your grease nice and hot. You want to make sure your grease is the perfect temperature, because you don't want to be too high and cook them too fast, and you also don't want them to be too low and not cook them right, or your breading falls off. So once you've gotten that part done, alright, now that the gizzards are done, they're a nice crispy golden brown. Take them out of the skillet onto a paper towel so that way it absorbs all the grease. And then off camera, what I've done is I dipped them in buffalo sauce. Each piece, what I put in a bowl, put some buffalo sauce on it, shake it up really well. So that's one of the reasons why you didn't see me put any seasoning on it or salt. And also, the flour that they were in already has salt in the flour. And now you're ready to serve. I put them with a mashed potato and a side salad.